In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Smartsheet ID. Whether you're new to Smartsheet or just need a little refresher, this step-by-step guide will ensure you can easily locate your Smartsheet ID. Now, let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to your Smartsheet workspace or homepage. This is your launching point in the Smartsheet ecosystem. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials so that you can access your workspace. Once you're logged in, you should see a list of your sheets and other resources. Think of this hub as your command center, where you manage projects and plan tasks. Becoming comfortable with this space is crucial for effectively using Smartsheet and getting the most out of its capabilities. Next, it's time to select and open the specific sheet you're interested in. Finding the right sheet is essential because each one has a unique ID, which is what we're after. If you're juggling multiple projects or have a substantial number of sheets, the search bar at the top can be incredibly useful. Simply type in the name of the sheet, and it should pop right up for you. Once you've loaded the desired sheet, head on over to the upper left-hand corner of your screen and click on File. This area serves as the main menu for various sheet settings and options available to you. Clicking on File will present a drop-down menu with several choices. From this list, you'll want to choose Properties. The Properties menu doesn't just show the basics, but also gives you detailed information about your sheet. This can be beneficial for understanding various aspects of your project setup, especially if you're working with something complex. Now for the final step. Within the Properties section, keep an eye out for the part labeled Sheet ID. This is the unique identifier for your sheet within Smartsheet. It's usually displayed prominently because it's often needed for integrations and other advanced functionalities. Once you've found it, you can either write it down, copy it for your records, or use it directly where needed. This ID is your key reference to this particular sheet, especially if you're sharing information with colleagues or connecting Smartsheet with other tools. And there you have it. Finding your Smartsheet ID is quite straightforward once you know where to look. This ability can really streamline many processes, from API integrations to receiving support. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble at all. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more Smartsheet tips and tricks.